Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create animated, hatched text shadow effect using HTML and CSS. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Then, create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create h1 element. Type your text inside it. Add a data text attribute to the h1, with its value being the same text that is inside the element. Our HTML is ready. Let's move to the CSS. Import the Righteous font from Google Fonts. For the universal selector, and its before and after selector, set margin and padding to 0. Set box sizing to border box. Set position to relative. Let's declare some variables in the root selector. Declare a bg variable, with value as 4d, 5e, b3. Declare a shadow variable, with value as eb, e9, e0. For the body, set height to 100%. Set background color to value of bg variable. For the h1 element, set display to inline block. Set color to white. Set font family to Righteous. Cursive. Set font size to 18 rem. Set text shadow to 0.03 m, horizontal and vertical offset. 0 pixels blur. With color same as that of bg. Let's center the text on screen. Set position to absolute. Set top and left to 50%. Set transform to translate -50%, -50%. For the H1 elements after selector, set content to value of data text attribute. Set position to absolute. Set top and left to 0.06 m. Set Z index to -1. Set text shadow to none. Set background image to linear gradient at 45 degrees. Set first color to transparent at 45% position. Set second color to value of shadow variable at 45% position. Set third shadow to same color, but at 55% position. Set last shadow to transparent, at 0 pixel position. Set background size to 0.05 m, 0.05 m. Set WebKit text fill color to transparent. Set background clip to text. Set animation to shadow, which we are going to write next. With 15 seconds duration, linear easing, and iteration count to infinite. Let's write the shadow animation. At 0%, set background position to 0, 0. Again, at 0%. Set background position to 100%, -100%. Here, our final project is ready. Let's see the preview. It is looking great. So, that's all for today. Hope you would have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. I will meet you next time. Till then, good luck and peace.